Here I have NOKIA G20, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after that you will enter Fastboot mode. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will turn off. And then you should turn it back on by holding down power key once again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.